guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Xenia, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of my current favorite hair care product, which just includes a hair oil and a shampoo from the all natural and herbal brand Acte, now which has been there in the market for quite some time now. And so today I'm going to be sharing the details with you guys about the Acte Healthy Roots hair oil and the Acte Complete Hair Defense shampoo. Now first, coming back to my favorite product, which is the hair oil. So this is the Acte Healthy Roots hair oil, which has got triple the power of ginger, onion and baobab extract, and this is a completely sulfate free and paraben free hair oil. Now you, in this particular packaging, which is a simple white color bottle packaging, you have 100 ml of the oil, which retails for 499 rupees, and the shelf life of this hair oil is 24 months from the date of manufacture. Now the best part about this hair oil is the ingredient list. Now this hair oil is made up of some of the best hair care products available in the market. The ingredients are superb. So getting into the details of the ingredients are ginger oil, onion extracts, baobab extract, kalonji oil, sage oil, castor oil, amla, soybean oil, sesame oil, coconut oil, hibiscus extract, curry leaf extract, camphor oil, Chinese mint oil, vitamin E acetate. So the product has got such great ingredient list. So I am completely in love with the ingredient list. So when I saw the ingredient list, I was so happy, so amazed that I picked it up for myself. So this is the Acte Healthy Roots hair oil, and the second super good point about this particular hair oil is that in spite of having such rich ingredient, the hair oil is so lightweight and so non-sticky that when you apply this hair oil on your hair, you wouldn't feel that you have applied actually an oil on your hair with such rich ingredient list. So I have been using this hair oil for the past 2 weeks now, and I'm completely in love with the hair oil. What I do is I apply it on my scalp kind of twice or thrice in a week, and at night I go to bed after the application of the hair oil, and then in the morning I wake up and shampoo my hair. Now this particular hair oil has not given me any kind of hair fall, rather it has made my hair more manageable. It has tamed down all the frizziness that I had on my hair. It has well nourished my hair, and my hair feels so soft and well managed right now. So I completely enjoy using this hair oil. Now this is available everywhere in Flipkart, Amazon, everywhere. So definitely you can try this hair oil for yourself at least once, and I'm sure you're going to love it. So this is the Acte Healthy Roots hair oil. The packaging is quite simple, but the ingredient list is super good, and the price is also reasonable considering the fact that the ingredient list is so good. It retails for 499, and you get 100 ml of the product, and I 100% recommend this hair oil to you guys because of the ingredient list and the way that it is non-sticky in nature, and this well nourishes your hair, and it tames down all the frizziness, all the dryness that your hair has, and it makes your damaged hair healthy and well nourished. So I give this hair oil a big thumbs up. And now coming to the shampoo from the Acte is something that I am so happy that I got this for myself again. Now this is the Acte Complete Hair Defense shampoo, and the ingredient list again is so good, guys. Acte ingredient list, Acte products has some of the best ingredients, I feel. So it contains fenugreek seeds, onion extract, amla, brahmi oil, kalonji extract, methi extract, vitamin E and what not. So this retails for 999, and you get 250 ml of the product, and I quite like the packaging. It comes in this pump kind of packaging, and 250 ml you get. Now this product is also sulfate and paraben free. Rather, all the products from the house of Acte, they are all sulfate and paraben free, and they're all natural and all vegan product. So as usual, this product, after the use of this product, I did not get any hair fall. My hair became more tamed and well nourished, frizz free. I got rid of the I used to my hair is basically very dry, but after using this hair oil and shampoo together, the combination of this hair oil and shampoo hair has not made my hair dry anymore. My hair is well nourished, and I feel good about it, and my hair feels soft and silky and healthy. So this is again sulfate and paraben free. I love the ingredient list. I love the smell, everything about this shampoo again. But compared comparing to both the products, I love the hair oil more than the shampoo, but the shampoo is also very nice. So both of these products are easily available in the online websites. I would provide the link of these products in the description box below. If you want to buy these, do check it out. If you buy it, you're definitely going to love it. So that was my current favorite hair care product. I'm completely enjoying the hair oil and the shampoo, and I'm definitely going to repurchase both of these products. If you have any doubt regarding your mind about this product, I hope I have cleared out all the doubts, because these products are really good, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. With that, I end this video. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.